Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your lookup key and table are clean and in the same format. Next, type VLOOKUP, key, range, call, false to force an exact match. This is essential for predictable results. Once that works, wrap the call in IFNA like IFNA VLOOKUP. To replace hash and slash with a blank or IFRA VLOOKUP. Not found to show a custom message. Make sure to lock ranges with $ if you will copy the formula down. You now refine the formula so it behaves across rows. Replace the range with absolute references like $1, $2, $D, $100, and confirm the column index is correct. Because IFNA only catches not available errors, use IFNA if you want to preserve other error signals. Use IFRA if you prefer a blanket replacement. Once done, drag or double-click the fill handle to apply the formula. Make sure to test several sample keys, so you can spot mismatches early and adjust the lookup table if needed. You finish by deciding whether to keep formulas or convert them to values. Copy the column and paste special values only if you need static outputs. If hash and slash still appears, trim spaces with trim, confirm numbers aren't stored as text, and use value or text to match types. If you need the sheet to auto-expand, wrap the VLOOKUP in array formula. Troubleshooting tip. If many hash and slash remain, run a quick match on problem keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.